Hi guys, my name is Aftab and welcome to Magento 2 series. Guys, today we are learn marketing rules and marketing emails and email for transaction, email for contact and all activities in marketing, right? So we are going to enter username and password, right? Enter here, you see in left navigation and click on marketing. Guys, see this is list for first one is promotion and second is communication, third one is social, or second one I mean sorry, fourth one is SEO search engine, right this and for last one is review. So guys, we discuss all of these one by one, right? So catalog price rule and cart rules for use for coupon codes, right? So we are already create, suppose here is click on catalog rule. So we need catalog price rule for you. We are creating any other promotion offers or for any category or any other system, right? So we are the click on suppose 10% off for new year offer, new year offer. 10% off all. We are simply just not here description. Rule is new, right? New. Active, and you can set here you have multiple web stores, so you can set you want to allow which store, right? And here is customer, general customer, not logged in wholesaler, retailer, right? And date you can select, you want to suppose only 1 to 2 days only, 1 to 2 days, set here 2 days, and you want to only 1 day, so you can set 1 day. Priority 1 or 2. Condition, right? Condition here you can apply this attribute set, category, any other category or attribute set, right? You want to specific any SKU, so SKU here, right? An action, you can apply fixed amount, you can apply percentage configuration, right? You can adjust final price percentage, you can adjust final amount of this and discard subsequent rule and any other rule for this type of product. Suppose we have allow a criteria fulfillment and any other product, so you can discard other rule and apply this rule only, right? So this type you need yes or no, right? So at that 10 fixed $10 or any other thing, you can any other SKUs you can set here for SKU. If you have for SKUs, right? Right, yes, this, or you need, so click on any other category, you can category, so you can choose your category, right? Here click on this and you can just boom and right, category ID, and you want to add any other attribute set, so you can click on attribute set and this back and enable, right? Downloadable and enable, right back, right? So guys, this is a category rule. You want to apply any category, any product or any specific attribute set, anything, right? And save this. So this is saved. And second thing guys is this is card price rule. This is allow for specific coupon code. This card rule is allow for everybody, new offer, for every category or attribute set. If anything you can allow here, and this is card price rule, this is like coupon code, you can here is like 10% off, or 15% off. 15% off New Year, same thing. New Year, New Year coupons. New Year, New Year 10% off, right? For website and general not logged in wholesaler. If you need to anything this for a specific, this is coupon code New Year 10 off. This is coupon code or 2000 2019, right? This is coupon code. This is coupon code. If you need, you can allow this or use random here also, right? So user per coupon uses one coupon. So only uses per coupon one and user per customer one. Uses per coupon only one coupon, or you want to allow thousand of users, so you can 100, and you can two three, you want to number of three, and you want to per customer two three four or only one, you can set as per your requirement, right? Condition, here you can add for attribute set, same thing, subtotal, total, postcode, and any other things, right? And action also, you can set fixed amount and buy one get one free, this type of condition, fixed amount 10, right? And this is also condition rule for free shipping, no shipping, anything other sides, right? And labels you can set here, and coupon code for coupon quantity, manage coupon codes, right? So this type of promotion you can add via coupon code. This is category promotion, this is coupon code, right? Both of different. This is category promotion, this is card promotion. Sorry, coupon code promotion. So guys, first one promotion is done, and second thing is email templating. So click on email and add new templates. So guys, this is all already provide all of email format in Magento 2. Suppose contact us form, so click on contact us, right? And load here, right? And here is us, contact us, right? Contact us, and this is right. And you can style here if you need to this, add a style, any other thing you can write custom the color and anything, right? Save and preview here, right? So this is your contact us email template format. And if you want to add any other templates, right? So you can add here. Suppose you want to add here is credit memo, invoice, order pricing here. Yeah, this is new order. You can add here and name his new order, done, and save here. And you can see here new order. This is your new order template. You can set here. So this is after placing order. So this template should be generated, right? And got customer, right? You can add anything else also here and click on this and add variables. Lots of list of here, grade, order ID, zip code, anything you want to add here, right? So guys, this is email templates, and same thing guys, newsletter templates also here. You can see here, and you can add, you can, here is sad customers, content system, admin area, for add name, subject line, customer supports, all that, right? So this is same thing. And guys, this is URL rewriting. So guys, and this URL rewriting for search engine optimization, use for you want to add something new product and you want to see all old URL, so no need for allow for new URL because most of customers know your only old URL. So that type of things using URL rewriting, right? And search terms and search synonyms used for suppose customers comes to your website and add suppose what is new product. So you want to add sub a new product things, right? This website synonyms, uh, what is new what is new product, right? So you can add here search synonyms, and this is also available on your website, right? So this type of synonyms you can add here, right? This is also working on search, right? And same things is guys, this is search terms also. This is also this search terms, yes, no. You want to suppose some customers comes on your website, so you can allow yes or no. This is right. This is you want to add yes or no, something you want to add, right? Select, unselect, you can allow this. So this is as per your customers behavior, you can set here your search engines, right? And guys, this is sitemap. Sitemap is guide. This is Google crawling system. Your URLs, your pages URLs, your product URLs. Google is crawling every 24 hours. So every admin new product you can generate your Google sitemap, and Google is automatically crawl by your any generated.xml file in your server. You can directly assign a path in Google accounts. So this is automatically crawl your website, new pages, and new product. So right. So this is very much in search engine search marketing. So guys, this is very much in this video. Please, if you have any problem about templating, category rule, and search synonyms, please comments me or mail me. If you have any problem, I definitely revert. So thanks for watching, and please guys don't forget for subscribe, and thank you so much.